Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to do something a little bit different, something I don't think I've done before, but I think it'll work out. But anyways, what I'll be doing is I'll be repairing this fire truck, which obviously doesn't have back wheels. Fix that. And I'm also going to mount this. You've seen this trailer before, right? Yeah, I'm gonna fix. So the original blue VW Golf that was on it broke or something happened to it. It fell off the roll off the table, and I wanted to use a different car to fix it, I guess you'd say. But there you go. So I'm gonna do that now. Do it off camera. I even made a trailer hitch from a paperclip bent at 90 degrees. Let's glue it on. Alright, now that I have fixed the trailer, I didn't need to fix the trailer, I only needed to fix the fire truck and mount the trailer hitch on the fire truck too. But anyways, yeah, there you go. Here it is with its fixed back wheels. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now I am gonna show you the fire truck with the trailer on it too in a few seconds here. So the owner of this car that I made up, this truck is called the Big Chief. The owner of this car is actually the chief of the fire, is a fire chief. And like I said, he's the big chief of the fire department. And yeah, there you go. I'm gonna put the fire truck with the trailer hitch on it and put the trailer itself on, and there you have it. Ta-da! And as always, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, smash that like button if you enjoyed what I do and enjoy what I do. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay cool. See you next time. But before I go, you probably noticed that I've changed my name to Scream's Little Workshop of Horrors. Why? Because every 4 months, I will change my name. Well, yeah, every 4 months. Well, I changed my name because it's my 4-month anniversary of my channel. And to celebrate that, I figured, hey, why not change my name? And yeah, there you go. And like I said, if you like what I do, subscribe. And if you like the video, smash that like button. I said it 100 times, but I'll say it 100 more. But anyways, yeah, there you go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The Big Chief with its new trailer, trailer hitch and trailer. And like I said, I changed my name to Scream's Little Workshop of Horrors. You know, just only because like I said, I've been posting for my channel's 4-month anniversary. But yeah, there you go. Bye.